Climate change has become a key driver, forcing many utilities around the world to invest in their pipelines. A higher frequency of storms and extreme wet weather events has caused ground movement, which over time adds increased loads to pipelines, causing them to bend and eventually fracture. Similarly, extreme cold or sustained dry periods also contributes to a higher number of leaking and burst water mains. Aging infrastructure is another significant cause for pipe leakage, where attack from soil corrosion leaves them prone to breakage, or even an unintentional strike from heavy earth-moving machinery means pipelines can be damaged, necessitating a repair. Irrespective of how pipelines break, water utilities are under mounting pressure, with growing fines from regulatory bodies for water leakage and customer disruption, having a responsibility to repair them quickly and efficiently. Therefore, water utilities have an ongoing repair and maintenance program to ensure a managed and continued supply of potable water. Consequently, the industry has sought more effective methods for pipeline repair, especially in larger sizes where leaks and bursts can be more extreme. Pipelines are also being designed using higher pressure ratings, with 16 bar becoming the standard working pressure across networks. This can pose a challenge when repairs use pipes of different outside diameters. Having a restrained fitting to prevent couplings from moving means repairs can be undertaken quickly without the need for concrete thrust blocks that take time to strengthen. Viking Johnson is a trusted industry name with a rich history and internationally recognised for the design and manufacture of large diameter restrained couplings and flange adapters. So, responding to changing customer demands, Viking Johnson is pleased to announce an extension to the proven UltraGrip range of wide tolerance restrained fittings that now includes DN700, 800 and 900 sizes, which are ideal for repairing and maintaining large diameter pipelines. UltraGrip ensures stock keeping can be kept to a minimum, with careful placement of the tolerance range to cover your core pipe materials, and products will be widely available to service any emergency or planned repair requirements. Product selection has been made easy across the UltraGrip DN700 to 900 range. All our flange adapters and couplings are rated 16 bar, plus there is a full set of 2D and 3D CAD and BIM models and product datasheets available to support all your repair and ongoing maintenance requirements. In addition, the UltraGrip restraint system is equipped with a unique sealing and gripping technology that allows water utility contractors to repair pipelines faster without the need for external restraints, like for example thrust blocks. While third-party accreditation to BS 8561 ensures end-user confidence when using UltraGrip on polyethylene pipe, where it achieves a Type 2 end-load performance as defined in WIS 42401 and ISO 17855. And where you have pipes which can be distorted or out of round, the UltraGrip's market-leading 35mm tolerance provides you more clearance to ensure a simple connection and is designed to cover manufacturing tolerances and mid-barrel pipe, so repairs can be made right first time. Importantly, UltraGrip also offers a 4-degree angularity per end at top, middle and bottom of the outside diameter range, making it easy for contractors to install fittings in tight working environments and accommodate some pipe misalignment. UltraGrip DN700, DN800 and DN900 has adapted a proven, high-performance, wide-tolerance gasket technology which provides maximum sealing pressure even on scored, pitted and corroded pipe surfaces, which Viking Johnson has been using in their products for the water industry since the 1980s. UltraGrip is easy to use, working below and above ground on a variety of pipe materials, including ductile iron, cast iron, PE, steel, MOPVC and asbestos cement. Furthermore, installation is made simple with lifting eyes added for ease of manoeuvrability and with captive studs, which can be bolted up by a technician using a single spanner, making it ideal for use in narrow trenches with no requirement to re-torque or to revisit after initial bolt-up. In line with Viking Johnson's drive for sustainable engineering, our fittings have a design life expectancy of 50 years, validated through extensive long-term testing. In addition, UltraGrip is manufactured from 80% recycled steel and supplied as standard with stainless steel fasteners and hygienic protective recyclable end caps that keep the fitting clean and free from any contamination. Plus, all UltraGrip lines are coated with real sand nylon, a bio-sourced coating made from the oil of castor seeds that grow easily in semi-arid regions, causing no deforestation and not competing with food production, making it a truly renewable material. With over 30 years of experience in restrained couplings, combined with UltraGrip's 20-year pedigree, customers can have confidence in the enhanced technology of the DN700, DN800 and DN900 range. UltraGrip amplified, performing for generations to come.